Okay, I found it. All right. It's a little foldy thing, and the front has a little flap that holds it shut, and then it just opens up. It's that simple. You can decorate it. You could even add a little bitty signature in it if you wanted to. I put this deli paper because it was this color, which is lovely, but I didn't know if the journaling would show up. And if I wanted to use it for journaling or whatever, I didn't want to have to search for light something and put it in there at that time. So it is so simple, and I love it. It's another Tina pocket or Tina thing, and I just put this little bitty tag. You see it, it's a little tag. You know, glued it down on the bottom, but not the top, so it could hold it shut. You can do any number of things to hold it shut. You know, those policy envelope wrap around figure eight things. You can do that. You can put a little die cut. You can put a button. You know, any number of things that you want to do for that. Here's one more I just made to make sure that I could still do it, because that was a couple days ago. And this one, the inside is will be decorated somehow, because you really can't journal on that unless you cover it up. But the outside, or the other side, I guess I should say, it's absolutely fine for journaling. And then the little flap, I put some paper, petals, flower petals or whatever together with a little brad, and I am going to glue it, you know, like right here, so that it's below that, because I don't want the glue to get near it, and then it will keep it shut. So that's going to be how that one works. If you want to, we can do it right quick. Let's see. And then I wanted to show you, and this one is small. This one I just made was only like 5 inches. It was a 12 by 12 I cut, not quite in half, because the other half of it, I'll show you. It had this on it, and I wanted to keep that because that's really pretty. And it's kind of, I guess, dictionary-ish. Dictionary, yeah. Really cool words. But this, I didn't want to fold this up and hide it somewhere. So and that was 7 inches. So the other one's like 5 inches, this little bitty one. This one is, it was probably 7 inches. This one here is going to be 7. So you'll get to see a little bit bigger one. Okay, this should be in the right place. I'm gonna clip it down, and then we'll check on it in a little while. Okay, so simple. I think, I hesitate to say in case I'm wrong, I think you put, hold on, well, I can't look now because it's folded up. I think you put your inside on the outside. If not, then don't do it. Okay. All right, fold it in half. And then you fold this to the edge, back on itself to the edge. And then this one also. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yay me. That's right. All right, so you decide if it's upside down or not, which it's not. So what you want to do, now this is 7 inches tall. So easily you could fold down 2 inches if you wanted to make a card this size. But what the fold down ends up being, it's this. However big you want this is how big you fold your pocket. Not a pocket, but your fold. However big you want this is how much you fold this over. So this one, maybe sorry I did this, but this is a 1/2 inch fold. And it's fine. It's lovely. But it's little. This one is like 1.25 inches. So it's a lot bigger. So depending on what you want. I would rather have a little taller pocket or thing and less flap. But I like a little bit of flap. So, not flack. I don't like flack at all, but flap. So I'm thinking 1 inch is good. Double check down here. Make sure we're 1 inch all around. Not quite. Okay. All right, now here's where it gets tricky. Don't touch this one. But these 3, you want to cut either cut on the fold up to here, stop right there, or what Tina did, and it worked really well, because me cutting on a straight line is never a straight line. But what she did was just cut this edge. So it ends up cutting off the thing. And that, or you can use your trimmer. If you just barely cut that fold, you will get a pretty nice little cut. Alright, so you cut your thing off at a little bitty angle so that it's like an envelope. And then you put your, if you want, so I always get it backwards, I always get confused. Yeah. Of course, I got it in the wrong hand. Maybe easier just to guess. That's kind of shaky, but it's okay. It looks alright. Okay, so then you just fold your thing back up. Put your flap over. And you are good to go. You can decorate it. You can leave it plain because it's really, you know, your paper is pretty or, you know, whatever. You don't need to, but you can. Then you can pick whatever kind of, let's see, I can't reach anything without moving you. I was going to see, let me see if I can reach this without bumping into you. Oop, oop. How'd I do? I do okay? Alright, I got me a big old jar of gold buttons. That's not very gold. Maybe gold and silver buttons. Oops. I kind of like this flat one here. What do you think? I think it's more, it's kind of goldish. Oh, and look, it's got the holes. Oh, maybe it goes this way. I like the flat side. Which one you like? Actually, I like the flat side better. Let me see if I can pick a different button. Oh, I like this one. Ooh, I like this one. What do you think? That's got a flower on it, but it's got a big old honking thing on it too. I wonder if I got something strong enough to cut that off. Oh goodness, or if I'm strong enough. I'm going to say no. Okay. I want kind of a flat one so it won't, poke out too much. What do you think? You like that? That's the very first one I picked up. We're going to do that because I like the pattern on it. It's kind of a, I don't really know. I like it. Oh, let's see. I might not like it. But I think this is just like a, oh yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Alright. So I got my 3-in-1. And I figured out, I don't know if I think I mentioned it the other day, I was having trouble figuring out why my glue was shining through my fabric pieces. Is that had never happened before with Fabri-Tac. Well, it's not Fabri-Tac, it's 3-in-1. So Fabri-Tac, Fabri-Fix, and 3-in-1 are made by the same place, and they're very, very similar. Fabri-Tac and Fabri-Fix are almost the same, but not quite. I emailed them once and asked them what the difference was, and they told me, but I don't remember what they said, and I'll have to just find that. I'll just need to find that email and let you know. But the 3-in-1 is definitely the lesser of the three as far as fabric goes. So that oh, you know what? Dang it. Alright, I can't use this unless I can wipe it off. I put glue all the way around it instead of just on the bottom half. Let me see. I can't walk and chew gum. I don't know why I think I can talk too. Talk and think. Let's see if I can get some of this off. I'm not gonna, I don't know. Well, we'll give it a try. Doesn't work, then it doesn't work. Let's see if I can get this on here where the glue doesn't, because you just need a tiny bit of it on there. Oh, I know what I should do now that I know where that goes. Take it out and then now and just clip it and let it set up. Yeah, that looks okay. Looks like it's gonna set up okay. Let's see. Let's check on this one. I'm sure it's fine by now. Oh yeah. Oh, isn't that cute? It's so easy. All you do is fold and tiny bit of cut. Oh my goodness, Tina, you're so brilliant. Okay, so I will link